Hello there. Hi. So today's video is about cut opening the walnut, these hard walnuts, by just using the sharp object. So I will be going to make a use of this nail cutter, specifically the internal part of this nail cutter. So this particular part of the nail cutter, which we usually use to open up the use as an opener to open up the bottle caps, but I'll show you that how by using this sharp object or any other such kind of sharp object you can open up the walnut very beautifully and get the fruit out of it very nicely. So the other ways which we use, that's usually the using the doors, which might sometimes add up a bend to your wooden doors, shiny wooden doors, so you don't really want that. And also sometimes we end up breaking these walnuts by using some hard objects and therefore just cracking the fruit completely. So just to avoid those things, we can simply use this simple thing, this sharp object of this thing, and you will see that how we can open it up so fine. So let's see. So here it is. So see, you can see one of the end of this walnut having these lines. Okay, this gap, this pore you can see, whereas at the other end you can see that it's quite closed. Okay, so we will be going to use this particular end. Okay, and you simply need to poke this thing over here and put a pressure. So just like you can see, I just put a pressure and just revolve it around, and you can see that it simply gets open up. I can simply put the pressure over here, you can see, and see how nicely I get the two pieces without any hustle and everything. See, you can see very beautifully, no damaged fruit, nothing, and just simple step. See, so I just hope you find it interesting, and this is my own idea of getting this open, because I was so lazy to go to the door and open it up. So I just this nail cutter was there with me, so I just thought maybe I can give it a try with this, and I found such a nice helpful idea. So I hope you enjoyed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.